Question 29 is asking us to calculate what would appear in the consolidated statement of profit or loss for cost of sales where we have a parent with a 75% subsidiary. So as a general rule, in our statement of profit or loss, we would want to add together the figures for both the parent and the subsidiary, and then there are two potential adjustments that we might need to make. The first is that in the consolidated statement of profit or loss, we don't want to reflect any intercompany transactions, so the total value of intragroup trading should be reduced. But the other adjustment that we'd expect to see to cost of sales is where there were items sold between the companies which are still held in inventory, and that would be a PUP adjustment, which here in the cost of sales line is a figure that we will add on as an adjustment to our closing inventory. So in this case, where we've been given the cost of sales for both entities, we can go and add those together. And then at the start, it tells us that there has been goods sold from P to S of 90,000 during the year. So we'll go and deduct those out as intragroup trading. The other adjustment though is that we need to actually calculate what this unrealised profit is. So here, 90,000 is the value of the goods sold between the two, a quarter of which it tells us remain in inventory. It says those goods were sold at a markup of 20%, which, given that it's been quoted as a markup, means to calculate the PUP I need to multiply this through by 20 over 120. If it had been quoted as a margin, we would have just taken 20%. But here, that will give me an unrealised profit of 3,750, so that we would need to go and add on to our other transactions. In total, that would give me an entry for cost of sales of $377,750.